Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be repairing something I accidentally broke. So I was trying to help out here at the house and cleaning the stove, and I lifted this without knowing that the gas lines, this is a gas stove by the way, without knowing that the gas lines or hard lines, and I broke the front too. So right now took the knobs off, but the front are not useful anymore. And also, before I even did this, the back burner over here would not turn on, but now it does, and all the other three would work, but now this one, well, I guess I'm a liar now. Well, it wasn't working, so I have new igniters. We'll replace them all if I can, and then I have the new gas line, two different kinds. So yeah, alright, so let's get started with the video. Here you can see that the aluminum gas line is not connected to the brass cap like the other one to the right of it. Here is the model number of the GE gas stove that I have. Also, these are the parts that I purchased. The first thing we're going to do is pull the stove back a bit and unplug it and try to shut off the gas line. I shut off the gas, but the light plug is too low. Can't reach it. Now I need to remove these and do it the right way. Looks like it's a T15. So each burner has 3 screws, T15. So that's a total of 12. And later I found out that I could have skipped this step since I did not replace the igniter. I don't know if I have another one. We're going to take a napkin, gonna protect it a bit, and there's little tabs that you, there we go, another one over here. So still gotta be careful because these are still connected. Alright, so this is what we have underneath. And the video I had seen, the way to replace the igniter, there was supposed to be a little clip that you take off and you're able to push this through, but this seems different even though it was the same model number that they showed the video on. Also, it seems like it would be better to use a 5/8 and come in through the top to loosen that right there, because this is what I need to replace this line right here and this line right here. The two in the back are fine. They don't seem damaged, but I did want to replace the igniters, but that may be a task that I might need to do more research on. So for now, let me just replace this and see if what works or not after it's all put back together. This is what I broke off when I lifted this. The first time I lifted it too high, it pinched. Oh, I still had the other one in there. This one broke the same way. Alright, so now I am going to remove this front cover to have access to where the new lines have to connect to. And to do that, it has three bolts. There goes one, another one right here, and another one further down. Alright, and it's a 1/4 inch to remove those. Alright. Alright, so now all you gotta do is pop these out. Oh, and remove that right there. Now this comes off. Alright, so here we have the old one and the new one. This right here is what broke off on it. So let's remove the old stuff and put the new one in. Okay, got it loose. So you can see that's where it broke off. Alright, so you see it has a flat spot right there. So if you try putting this in first, you have to also, it has to line up in there in order for you to get the little screw in there. So what I found right now to be easier is to line it up back here first and put the screw in, not all the way, and then connect this line. It seems to be a lot easier that way. Okay, I think this is the smallest one I have. Yeah, so it's a 1/2 inch. Alright, let's start putting this back together. Starting off with the cover. There we go. So before I tighten these two, I am going to put all of these screws back on. While I figure out how to properly close it. Alright, gas is back on. Knobs are going back on. Let's see, front. Right front. So again, the one in the back is the one that's turning on. So it might be this thing. Front two burners work now. So that's good. Now need to close it properly and put it back together. All right, so I finally got this to close. I was struggling, and so you have to lift the back up, and it's supposed to go up and back some more, and then it'll drop down. And the same thing goes to that side, and then this will close properly. Before I close out this video, I'm gonna try to figure out why this burner is not working. So let's do some troubleshooting. Okay, so I see spark. I smell gas. Let's investigate some more. After closer examination, I have found that that little hole is clogged up. I checked a few of the other ones and they are not clogged. So here I have a bread tie, and I'm going to see if it clears that up. Alright, maybe this will work a little bit better. Okay, let's try it out.
And that's how I do it, that's how I do it, and that's how I do it, and that's how it's done. That's how I do it, that's how I do it, and that's how I do it, and that's how it's done.
Alright, so it was not the igniter, and I figured out how to replace the igniter, but I don't need to anymore. So all my burners work now.